Hey guys, so the other day I was on eBay and I was looking at the fidget spinners and I found one that caught my attention and I thought it was kind of cool and I want to show it to you guys. It came in a cool little case and check this out, man. It's designed like a Pepsi. Oh my god, dude. I was gonna say it's designed like a penny. That shit's sick, right, dude? I was like, dude, this is kind of cool and I want it. I want it for my little collection of fidget spinners. Check it out. I was on OfferUp and some lady had a post for fidget spinners in my area and I sent her a message and it said $5. So I asked her, how many are you selling for $5? And she told me I could freaking have them all 6 spinners for her $5. I was like, hell yeah, it's a fucking deal. She freaking sold me these right here. These are ones that I already had from before, but she sold me a red one. This one lights up, but the batteries are freaking dead. 2, another red, 3, another red. So 2. There's 2 of these the same, and then one of them is black. 4, 5, and then this one. Watch. This one looks like a fucking ghost. Ooh. And this one. So she sold me 6 of them for $5. This one's my favorite right now. Check that out, you guys. How sick is this? It fucking sings like a bird. Fucking sick. I've been wanting a Batman fidget spinner for a while, so I went on eBay and I found these for $6. When I first saw them, I was like, dude, that's kind of rad, the design. So I was curious and I bought them. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this Batman fidget spinner totally fucking sucks ass. Doesn't even fucking spin good at all. Like it's spinning right now, but when you kind of twist it a little bit, it just totally just stops spinning. It makes a weird noise. It's like really slow at spinning. Like it's fucking slowing down. This shit sucks ass. The design is pretty freaking rad, but the spinning fucking sucks. Not worth it. Not worth the money. Alright, I'm gonna head to bed. It's almost like 2 in the morning and I'm getting kind of sleepy now. If you guys watched this whole video, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Take care, you guys. Be safe. Wash your little hands. If you guys don't have to be out on the street, don't go. Stay home. There's plenty you can do at home. You can binge Netflix and Hulu shows. You can read books, watch movies, you know, grab a coffee, sit on the couch and just enjoy yourself. If you guys don't have to be on the street, don't go. Just stay home, man. Home is the safest place you can be right now. So thanks, you guys. I love all you guys. Take care. Be safe. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, you guys.